Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about a relationship consultant. So we'll discuss that how can you earn on any freelancing platform or especially Fiverr by becoming a relationship consultant. So, to better understand about relationship consultant, we will read an article about it and then understand. So, we are here at linkedin.com. We'll read an article on this website and then we'll get to know about relationship consultant. So, let's go without wasting much more time. Let's read it out. Fine, I'm listening. What does a relationship consultant do? Um, let's scroll down. So, a relationship consultant is someone with professional training in relationships, example, a therapist, and with extensive additional training in relationship facilitation. Prepare, enrich crisis issues, discernment counseling, decoupling counseling, and mediation. In addition, a relationship consultant should have a deep field of referral options in different types of therapies, family law, and financial analysis. A relationship consultant does four basic things. Number one, administers an online assessment. In our case, I give you access to an online set of questions that you and your partner answer separately. Number two, looks over your answers and then interviews you about them. Once I've seen what both you and your partner have answered, I look for places I want additional information. I'll then meet with you and your partner separately to see what other data I need in order to get a well rounded picture of your relationship. Number three, writes a report and gives it to you. After we've had a chance to talk up to an hour for each of you, I'll take everything I've learned about your relationships and write you a fancy report. This report is going to do two big things. First, it's going to list, highlight, bring to your attention issues that came up during the assessments and interviews. Some of these issues may be known to you, some may have been in your blind spots. Secondly, this report is going to include recommendations for next steps for you. These next steps will be tailored to what you need. Number four, follows up with you for up to a year. After I've handed off your report, I'll follow up with you at scheduled intervals in order to see how your next steps are going and if you need any additional recommendations. Some questions I've gotten. What if you are my relationship consultant and I want to stay on with you in a therapy role? Depending on your needs, we can transition into a different professional relationship where I provide the counseling and therapy services you need and want. If I change my role with you, I'll have you complete and informed consent to the change in services. What if you are my relationship consultant and I don't want to stay with you in a therapy role? That's completely fine. My job as your consultant isn't to drum up therapy business for myself. It's to help you get the support you need. I will offer you referrals to therapists I think may be a good fit for you. So that was the article about the relationship consultant. So I hope you now know about relationship consultant, that what do they do, and how do and like how to become or how to do a relationship consultant job. So we've talked about article. So we've read an article. Now we'll move forward to the Fiverr official website, and then we will check out some gigs related to relationship advisor, or you can say consultant. So as you can see, I've searched here relationship services. Now uh, you can see there are a lot of gigs related to it. So we'll basically go to any one specific gig which is related to this topic. So uh, we'll go through the top recommendation gig. So it's this basically Jesse Galvin's gig. So the title of this gig is "I Will Be Your Relationship and Life Coach." So as you can see, it's you can see a relationship coach. Like you can say that relationship coach and relationship consultant are the same thing, and she's charging in basic 45,000 coaching power hour. So it's basically 1 hour session, and she is charging 45,000 per hour, you can say, and the standard charges is 1,67,000. So in this package, there will be 4 coaching sessions plus mindfulness exercise plus goal setting plus breakthroughs, 1 session per week. It's for 30 days. And last one is a premium. It's for 3 months live coaching, and there will be 12 coaching sessions plus mindfulness exercises plus lasting transformation, and there will be 1 session per week. So she's charging 4,86,000 for the 3 months live coaching service. So till now she got 3 orders completed, and um, no reviews till yet, uh, but you can see that charges are very high for relationship consultant. So you can be also part of the relationship consultants, and earn you can earn a handsome amount of revenue through it. So that's it for the today's video. Let's end this video here. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you. Allah.